All right. So let's go over candle basics. Okay. So this is a whole candle, right? With the bear candle, which is a red candle, you sometimes see it on other charts. They could be black or whatever. You change them, but these are the candles that go down. So on the down candles, it opens on the top. Then time passes, a couple seconds, a couple minutes, a couple hours, depending on the time frame. It closes, right? At the bottom. Okay. And with a bull candle, it opens at the bottom and it closes at the top. So it did all this stuff within that set time. And then it closes here and then it opens here. The next candle, that's the next candle. Okay. So it's going up, going down, whatever. It goes all the way up. It goes all the way down. It doesn't matter what it does in there. That's kind of where it dances, right? But the main juice of the candles are in between this stuff. So that's where it opens and that's where it closes. Okay. So these are called shadows, wicks, shadows. I've heard it be called just those two things. Okay. So with the footprint chart, you're able to see a little bit more what's in each price line, okay, within the candle. So you're able to tell certain stuff. So when you see when you see um, when you see a candle like this close, it's like the bigger the candle, the more the volume, the stronger the candle is. It can be that the candle is big, but it might not have that much volume. It could be that the sellers weren't interested or the buyers weren't interested, vice versa. But when it's small little candles, that means it's like a fight between the green and the red. Green, red, and then green's winning. Oh no, red's coming back. Red's winning. Oh no, green's winning. So you got to kind of see how the candles unfold. And when you want to take trades, you see what the candles did in the past. So say we're looking at this level right here, right? Say we don't know what's happening over here. We take a look at all this in the past, all this price action to get an idea of like what the price can do in the future. So that's where you gotta take into account that. So I'm just going over the candles real quick. Body, body, open, close, open, close. Okay. So again, this is the bodies. This is the close. That's the open. This is the close. That's the open. These are the wicks on top, the skinny parts. So let me set an example right here. So this is the body. This is the wick. You see that? It has a little bitty wick.
Hey, yo,
You know, this one doesn't have a wick. This one, you see different types of wicks. So there's different types of candles, doji candles, um, candle patterns. Oh, the flag, the double top, the headless horseman, the shoulders, the all kinds of bullshit. But you got to just read what it does when it reaches support and resistance levels, right? Liquidity, support and resistance for value gaps. Look up all those terms. It's a lot of stuff, but I'll go over some stuff. Okay, so look, wick, body, wick. So price. Let's take into the example right here. Okay, so price was doing something here. It opened up, came up, right? Came up, didn't come up, closed there. The candle opened up here, came down a little. It could have gone down. It could have been big. It could have been this size or this, not this size, because look, it's from here to here. So it could have been all the way this red, but then it came back down. Buyers um, kept buying and it went up. So let me zoom in to get a better example. Okay, so and you'll see when price is going. So opened here, came down, danced, came up. This is a strong candle. This is a bearish candle. It opened up here, came down, boom. Same thing. Came up here, opened here, came down, opened here, went up, closed here, opened here, went down. Right? Opened here, came up, opened here, came up, and then you gotta see the candles too. So you'll get into like um highs and lows and all kinds of stuff, but that's kind of the general idea of what a candle body looks like. I hope you enjoy.